इतना सा फर्क है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends. We welcome all of you to our Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. This is a digital representation of the business opportunity which Franchise India team has got for you. We have invited the brand founder so that you digitally interact with him, understand what kind of a value proposition and business offer he has for you. This is a 45-minute session. We'll start with the presentation, then we'll move towards a panel discussion. So we request all of you to please share your queries in question and answer box. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma, both leading this particular webinar, and they will be taking all your queries. And the business opportunity which we are bringing for all of you is Go Waterless. The business which you start with just an investment of 5 lakh rupees. And today we have invited Mr. Sri Kumar to talk about this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir, for joining in today. We understand you've been very busy, but you still got a time to join this webinar. So we welcome and invite you to showcase your business model with each and every client of ours. Over to you, sir.
Hello there, a very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Srikanth, not Sri Kumar, Srikanth Iyengar, and I'm based out of Pune, Maharashtra. And really glad to connect with all of you. Thank you so much to Franchise India team. Thank you, Archana, for the quick introduction. And let us jump into this exciting opportunity, which I would love to share with all of you. I hope English is okay. And in the meantime, it would be great if all of you can also share, like you are from which city, you are representing which city, because Go Waterless is already present pan-India and we have presence in multiple cities across. I would definitely share the details subsequently. But yeah, I guess I hope English is okay, and in between मैं बीच में English Hindi mix करूँगा, so it would be like
Sure,
English so that everybody is comfortable.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so let's get started. So Go Waterless is India's fastest growing car care brand. So there are a lot many USPs about this brand which I would take you through. First of all, मैं कुछ context share करना चाहूँगा, कुछ background जो जरूरी है समझना, इसके पहले जिसके पहले कि हम business समझें, उसके पहले थोड़ा context और background समझ लेते हैं. So let's understand what is the water situation in our country. This is one important resource we tend to take it for granted. If you look into the report, Niti Aayog is a government undertaking. Niti Aayog has done a very detailed survey on the present water situation in our country. So as per this report, lot many important figures are very staggering and as well as alarming. As per this report, only 4% of fresh water is available for our country to access. and it is predicted that by the year 2040 2040 तक ऐसी परिस्थिति आ जाएगी कि 90% of आबादी population of our country will not have access to fresh water. Most of the times the water would be either polluted in some way or the other, because groundwater is also getting polluted big time. Now what this is leading to, इसके वजह से हो क्या रहा है कि लगभग 60 करोड़ जनता हमारे देश में, 140 करोड़ की आबादी, उसमें से 60 करोड़ जनता, उनको पानी की काफी किल्लत होती है. Extreme water shortage is a kind of situation every year they go through, and unfortunately this leads to a situation more than 2 lakh people every year they die because of not having access to safe and hygienic water. Now, this is a very alarming situation. Now this situation to quite a decent extent can be addressed by conserving water also as an important resource. Now let's look into, from a conservation perspective, let's also look into the contributor which leads to the wastage of water. If you are not wasting, if you are able to save that water, definitely, which is good and usable water for human consumption. Now one of the biggest culprit out here is wasting water on non-living beings, and उसमें भी सबसे top में आता है list में, that is using water for as petty as washing cars and bikes and vehicles. Now let's look into some of the numbers here. एक गाड़ी आप टिपिकली वॉशिंग सेंटर में लेके जाते हैं तो 150 से 200 लीटर पानी यूज होता है उसको धोने के लिए. ये पानी कहाँ जाता है? इट जस्ट गेट्स ड्रेन्ड. It is not recirculated, it is not recycled, it is not reprocessed, because this entire sector is unorganized. Primarily, more than 90% of people involved in this sector, it is unorganized. And because of the geographical condition of our country, India, भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहाँ पे धूल, मिट्टी, dust ये होता ही रहेगा. This cannot be changed, right? So we have to accept this fact, right? You can preserve your vehicle to some extent, but yes, because of lot many circumstances, this is going to happen, and washing is going to be required. Let's look into the number of vehicles. Today we are talking about more than 23 crore cars. I'm talking only about cars, not other vehicles. Only cars, if you consider, more than 23 crore cars are there in our country presently. And अगर 150 लीटर पानी एक गाड़ी के पीछे पे आप कंसिडर करेंगे तो 3,450 crores for one wash. Okay. Now, if you take it over a period of time, that means even if you consider for 1 year, this figure is staggering. It goes close to 2 trillion liters of water, which is getting wasted only for car wash. Can something be done about this? If we are sensible enough, we can also contribute by not allowing this to happen, unless and until there is an alternative which is provided. Majority situation today, it is accepted fact that इसके लिए कोई alternative नहीं है, उसलिए यही करना जरूरी है. लेकिन आज हम बात कर रहे हैं उसके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा और बहुत ही बढ़िया alternative available है. That is what Go Waterless is all about. So it is high time that we help people to understand and sensitize them to shift to Go Waterless for cleaning their vehicle. Now let's understand Go Waterless actually है क्या, ये क्या product है और ये क्या concept है. Essentially, Go Waterless as a business model, this is a service-based business model. This is not a product-based business model. We are not selling the product in retail. Okay, so we are a service provider, where the USP is the product which we have developed through our own research and development over a period of more than 2 years. In fact, we have done rigorous testing, we have done rigorous trials and validation of this product in different demographics, in different atmospheric conditions, and we have proven the product before we brought it into the market, right? But primarily as a service model. What exactly happens if you technically understand that this product has to be only sprayed on the surface, whether it is painted metal or glass or plastic surface or interior, any kind of surface, you have to just spray and wipe. But however, there is a technique involved into this. What exactly happens is that once it is sprayed on the surface, it encapsulates the dirt and it uplifts it from the surface, which makes it easier to wipe and clean it. And also, interestingly, the efficiency of the cleaner also improves as compared to a water-based cleaning process, क्योंकि इसमें multiple iteration नहीं करना पड़ता कि पहले पानी लगाओ, फिर शैम्पू लगाओ, फिर उसको पानी से धो, फिर उसको ड्राई वाइप करो. So वो सब चीजें नहीं करनी पड़ती. This is in one stage itself, panel by panel, it gets completed. The entire cleaning process, in terms of overall time required for cleaning, also it's relatively lesser comparatively. Now, what is the USP of the product which we are talking about? Obviously, ये पूरा का पूरा 100% पानी की यूसेज को पूरी तरह से रिप्लेस करता है. इसमें एक भी बूंद पानी की जरूरत नहीं है, और क्वालिटी ऑफ क्लीनिंग इज एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 times सुपीरियर देन ए वाटर बेस्ड क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस. इसमें कोई भी हार्मफुल केमिकल नहीं है. ये 100% ऑर्गेनिक है और ये प्रोडक्ट प्लांट एक्सट्रैक्ट से बनाया हुआ है. ओके, इट इज 100% इको फ्रेंडली. इससे होता क्या है कि क्योंकि आप पानी कंप्लीटली अवॉइड कर रहे हैं, इसमें आपकी गाड़ी को रस्ट या कोरोजन होने के चांसेस नहीं होंगे। जो स्क्रैचेस और स्वर्ल मार्क्स वगैरह होते हैं आपके गाड़ी के सरफेस में, जो लोकल क्लीनर जिस तरीके से क्लीन करता है उसकी वजह से माइनर स्क्रैचेस और स्वर्ल मार्क आते हैं जो परमानेंटली रहते हैं आपके गाड़ी के सरफेस पे। एंड ऑल्सो ये प्रोडक्ट इस तरीके से बनाया हुआ है जो आपके गाड़ी के पेंटेड सरफेस को यूवी रेस से प्रोटेक्ट करता है, उसका नेचुरल शाइन जो है उसको रिटेन करता है। और जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि ये समय और एफर्ट को बचाता है, the way the cleaning process actually happens. The bigger mission at Go Waterless, what we have as our own bigger agenda is to help our country save 2 trillion liters of water eventually. And definitely we want to contribute beyond this also, but as of now, this is the bigger mission which we are serving. So primarily, this is an initiative to help our country save water. Also at the same time, provide entrepreneurship opportunities to individual, and at a grassroots level, also create employment at the last level who would be executing the cleaning process. So it is a kind of win-win situation for a social cause, for an entrepreneurial opportunity, and make it a profitable business model, and also at the last level provide job opportunities and employment opportunities for the people at the last level. So this is an invitation for you to contribute from your side by becoming our franchise partner in your locality and in your city by adopting this concept and model of Go Waterless. Now, talking about the organization, talking about the brand, what are the key milestones? So अभी तक हमने जब से शुरू किया है, little more than 2 years we have started our business model as an organization, and what all we achieved more or less up till now. The first franchise for Go Waterless got appointed in the city of Nagpur in October 2019. Since then, by now we already have more than 75 franchises pan India in 22 states and 52 cities. So we have got a very wide network, be it extreme north or extreme east or extreme south or extreme west, and plus central India. So we are present everywhere. So 22 states and 52 cities. So that means that there are many cities that are more than one franchise also already present. As an organization, we are already certified to ISO 9001:2015. This means that our systems and practices and processes are certified by an independent third party, and they have validated and certified us that what process and systems we have, they are really world class. Franchise India last year has awarded us as the franchisor of the year. Also, till date, we have served more than 1 lakh car washes pan India for our customers at their doorstep, and we are counting this every day. Now, because of this, what has happened, how it has impacted, it has helped India already save more than 1 million liters of water so far. So this is the impact, this is the social impact which we already created. Ministry of Commerce and Industry has also certified us under the green technology vertical as an upcoming startup. Also, as an organization to create and sensitize people within our country, we had done some small initiatives like sponsoring certain rides where people had taken this mission across certain parts of the city, covering more than 7,000 plus kilometers, starting from the western part of our country, moving towards the northern side and extreme Leh, Ladakh, and all those places, with this message to save water, right? So these are some of the key milestones up till now. Besides this, because of the kind of drive and initiative what we are doing through our business model, many business houses have already covered our story, many of them which are not listed down here, but yes, every day and every second day we are getting some of the other requests from various media houses to get to cover our story. So Mr. Nitin Sharma, who is our founder, he had been also been represented, and more or less like a poster boy, he has been representing this message in the forefront through our media also to pass on this important message that we want to save 2 trillion liters of water for our country. So this is a certificate which I talked about, which had been provided by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. And this is the Franchisor of the Year award given by Franchise India. Now, talking about our presence, as I told that we are already present in 22 states and 52 cities, and we are continuing further with that every day. Now, talking about the franchise opportunity. So interestingly, when you're talking about this business model, though we got started with our flagship vertical, हमारा जो important vertical है, जो Go Waterless, which is about waterless car cleaning, वो हमारा flagship vertical है. उसके साथ ही आपको 4 और verticals मिलते हैं as a franchise. अगर कोई भी शुरू करता है, तो ये 5-in-1 business model है. मतलब हम सिर्फ एक revenue source की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, एक ही फ्रेंचाइज अपॉर्चुनिटी में आपको 5 अलग अलग रेवेन्यू सोर्सेस मिलेंगे. आउट ऑफ दीज 5, 2 आर immediately accessible and you get started right from day one. जैसे आप शुरुआत करोगे तो आपको 2 वर्टिकल्स इमीडिएटली आप शुरू कर सकते हो. बाकी 3 वर्टिकल हम उसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी ट्रायल्स कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग पायलट रन्स कर रहे हैं डिफरेंट सिटीज में, जिसमें कार इंश्योरेंस, कार मेंटेनेंस और रोड साइड असिस्टेंस आते हैं. 2 वर्टिकल जो आप इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट करोगे उसमें आता है गो वाटरलेस कार वॉश और डोर स्टेप कार डिटेलिंग. तो मैं ये 2 के बारे में आपको डिटेल में थोड़ा समझाता हूँ. तो बेसिकली हम जब गो वाटरलेस कार क्लीनिंग की बात कर रहे हैं तो इसमें कस्टमर को एक्चुअली कस्टमर आपका सर्विस कैसे बुक करता है, इसमें 2 ऑप्शंस होते हैं कस्टमर के पास. या तो कस्टमर वन टाइम सब्सक्रिप्शन, वन टाइम क्लीनिंग सर्विस अवेल कर सकता है, या मंथली सब्सक्रिप्शन अवेल कर सकता है. और ये दोनों भी कस्टमर को डोर स्टेप पे मिलेगा. नो, डोर स्टेप का मतलब क्या है? डोर स्टेप का मतलब कस्टमर जहां चाहे आपके शहर में वो सर्विस ले सकता है, भले वो उसका ऑफिस हो, भले उसका घर हो, या कोई मॉल हो, या मूवी थिएटर हो, कहीं पे भी हो. कस्टमर चाहे तो वो सर्विस कहीं पे भी अवेल कर सकता है. मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू गो वाटरलेस का ऐप डाउनलोड करके वो सर्विस बुक कर सकता है. उसको जो डेट को चाहिए, जो टाइम को चाहिए, वो उस हिसाब से बुक कर सकता है. कस्टमर को 2 ऑप्शन होते हैं बुकिंग में. एक होता है एक्सटीरियर क्लीनिंग, दूसरा होता है एक्सटीरियर प्लस इंटीरियर क्लीनिंग. सो कस्टमर कैन चूज as per the requirement and the kind of vehicle what service the customer wants. Just to share with you that what is the kind of result which gets produced when we are without using even a single drop of water, the quality of cleaning what it can give. क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. कैसा हो सकता है कि बिना पानी यूज किए अच्छी तरीके से क्लीनिंग हो और वो क्वालिटी मिले क्लीनिंग का. ये इमेजेस आप खुद देखिए कि गंदी से गंदी गाड़ी को भी किस लेवल तक क्लीन किया गया है. जहां तक कि मडगार्ड और वो अंदर वाले पोर्शन भी हैं जो पूरी अच्छी तरीके से क्लीन हो सकते हैं ये प्रोसेस में. कई बार लोगों के मन में ये शंका रहता है कि मॉनसून में गाड़ियां बहुत ज्यादा कीचड़ लग जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा खराब होती है, वो अच्छी तरीके से क्लीन हो पाएंगी या नहीं. इसमें आप देखेंगे इमेजेस बिफोर आफ्टर के, ये सब मॉनसून की गाड़ियां हैं जो क्लीन हुई हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इज डन विदाउट यूजिंग अ सिंगल ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर, which is where the water is replaced by our high lubricity solution, which is 100% organic and made of plant extracts. And this also helps your car to get stay protected and gives a look and feel like brand new. इसकी वजह से काफी सारे कस्टमर जिनके पास प्रीमियम, अल्ट्रा प्रीमियम और सुपर कार्स हैं, वो भी हमारे सर्विसेज को ट्रस्ट करते हैं. People who have vehicles like Ferraris and Lamborghinis, BMWs, Mini Cooper, Mercedes, many of those customers, they have migrated to us and they take services from us at their doorstep. So that is the first vertical which I explained about. Second vertical is car detailing. Car detailing is much more than only car cleaning. It is actually an art and craft of going beyond cleaning and restoring the vehicle. Actually, this is more of a precision and skill based work, and it is also pretty much labor intensive. Now यहाँ पे USP Go Waterless क्या लेके आ रहा है कि जो डिटेलिंग वाले सर्विसेज हैं ये भी डोर स्टेप पे प्रोवाइड करेंगे. एज अ फ्रेंचाइज यू कैन प्रोवाइड द डिटेलिंग रिलेटेड सर्विसेज आल्सो एट डोर स्टेप. तो टिपिकली इसमें एक्सटीरियर में सोल मार्क रिमूवल, पेंट रिस्टोरेशन, मिनरल डिपॉजिट रिमूवल, वाटर स्पॉट रिमूवल, डल हेडलाइट एंड विंडशील्ड विजन ट्रीटमेंट, ये सब आ जाता है. इंटीरियर में डीप क्लीनिंग, रूफ क्लीनिंग, एसी वेंट्स, बैड ओडोर रिमूवल एंड डिसइंफेक्शन. तो ये सब चीजें, और इसके अलावा भी कई सारी चीजें हैं जैसे सेरामिक कोटिंग, ग्राफीन कोटिंग, टेफ्लॉन कोटिंग, ये सब चीजें भी डोर स्टेप पे की जा सकती हैं. Where we would be training and certifying your team. Your team members will be exclusively trained by our master trainer at your location for detailing as well as for the cleaning process. उसके बाद ही आप सर्टिफाइड होने के बाद ही आपका जो मैन पावर है वो कस्टमर की गाड़ियों को सर्व कर सकता है, सर्विस दे सकता है. कंपनी की तरफ से आपको क्या क्या सपोर्ट मिलेगा? ऑब्वियसली कोई भी बिजनेस में 2 इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें होती हैं, एक होता है फ्रंट एंड, एक होता है बैक एंड. फ्रंट एंड में हम बेसिकली बात कर रहे हैं कस्टमर को एक्वायर करना और कस्टमर को रिटेन करना. उससे रिलेटेड ब्रांडिंग, मार्केटिंग, एडवर्टाइजिंग, प्रमोशन से रिलेटेड जो भी कुछ हेल्प लगेगा कंपनी आपको पूरा प्रोवाइड करेगा, ऑनलाइन के लिए भी और ऑफलाइन के लिए भी. ऑनलाइन मतलब हमारी सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, यूट्यूब, ट्विटर, डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स वी आर प्रेजेंट. सो वी वुड पीरियडिकली बी रनिंग एड्स टारगेटिंग योर लोकेशन in your specific vicinity, जहाँ पे कस्टमर्स को पता चलेगा कि आपके सर्विसेज अवेलेबल हैं, तो वो हमारे ऐप डाउनलोड करके आपके थ्रू वो सर्विसेज बुक कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा जो ऑन साइट कैंपेन्स होते हैं, आपको कोई भी जहाँ पे हाई फुटफॉल एरियाज है, शॉप्स है, मॉल्स है, सोसाइटीज हैं, जहाँ पे आप वीकेंड कैंपेन्स वगैरह रन कर सकते हो, उससे रिलेटेड जो भी कुछ मटेरियल चाहिए होगा प्लस आपको गाइडेंस एंड हैंड होल्डिंग चाहिए होगा, वो कंपनी प्रोवाइड करेगा. ये हो गया फ्रंट एंड. दैट इज अबाउट कस्टमर एक्विजिशन एंड कस्टमर रिटेंशन। बैकएंड में जो ऑपरेशंस और प्रोसेस है, हमारा जो फ्रेंचाइज मैनेजमेंट का टीम है वो आपको पूरा 100% सपोर्ट करेगा। उससे रिलेटेड आपको जो भी कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए, कंज्यूमेबल्स चाहिए, सर्विस किट्स लगता है, ट्रेनिंग एंड सर्टिफिकेशन, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विल बी प्रोवाइडेड फ्रॉम our side till the time you achieve complete ROI. I'll explain on that. Besides this, technology plays a very important role. So we massively invest a lot on technology, and we keep on upgrading our technology primarily through mobile applications. And over a period of time, we want to also get into an aggregator-based model. So इसमें website, mobile applications, and different softwares for you to manage your franchise, all of these would be provided without any additional expense on that. Now, talking about why choose Go Waterless, अभी तक आपको काफी चीजें समझ में आ गई होंगी कि ये बिजनेस मॉडल क्या है एंड हम क्या एड्रेस करें। सो इंटरेस्टिंगली, सी टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सिचुएशन वेयर वी नो दैट कि पानी की परिस्थिति क्या है, और आगे जाके ये सुधरने ज्यादा वाला नहीं है, ये और ज्यादा खराब ही होगा। इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, गवर्नमेंट will be forced to bring in restrictions on usage of water, especially for car wash. We are already in discussion with various authorities within government also to sensitize them and bring in some kind of regulation and control on this kind of water wastage. इसमें ओवर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम क्या होगा, कस्टमर को माइग्रेट करना पड़ेगा फॉर बेटर ऑल्टरनेटिव्स, और अगर कोई प्रोफेशनल ऑल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल है तो एनी सेंसिबल कस्टमर वुड वांट टू शिफ्ट इनटू दैट। Now, also importantly, I want to share with you here कि आपके मन में शायद ये आ रहा होगा कि दैट इतना सब करेंगे तो कस्टमर को हम बहुत ज्यादा प्रीमियम प्राइस चार्ज करेंगे। ऐसा भी नहीं है। जो एग्जिस्टिंग आपके मार्केट में जो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स हैं, हम उनके लेवल पे वो प्राइसिंग को मैच करके ये सर्विसेज कस्टमर को देंगे। ओके, सो प्राइमरीली ये एक बिजनेस मॉडल एसेट लाइट बिजनेस मॉडल है, जिसमें आपको कोई रियल एस्टेट की एक्चुअल जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आपके पास ऑलरेडी कोई कैपिटल रियल एस्टेट है जहाँ पे आप ऑफिस या छोटा सा एक वर्कशॉप जैसे आप रख सकते हो, तो वेल एंड गुड, इट विल आल्सो गिव ए एडेड एडवांटेज जहाँ पे वॉक इन कस्टमर्स को भी आप सर्विस दे सकते हो। अदरवाइज इसमें कोई रियल एस्टेट का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, कोई मशीनरी इक्विपमेंट का कोई मेजर इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको कुछ नहीं करना है। तो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज ए हाई इनकम एंड लो इन्वेस्टमेंट काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस मॉडल, and we are guaranteeing 100% return in less than 12 months. Your complete payback would happen. Okay, so why it makes sense to become franchise of Go Waterless? The startup cost or startup investment is very low. You get access to multiple streams of income. सिर्फ एक इनकम स्ट्रीम के ऊपर आप डिपेंडेंट नहीं हो, आपको 5 अलग अलग इनकम स्ट्रीम्स मिल रहे हैं। आपको कंपनी के साथ रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग या रॉयल्टी शेयरिंग कुछ करना नहीं है, ऑफिस और वर्कशॉप की जरूरत नहीं है, मेजर ओवरहेड्स कुछ है नहीं। ओके, फ्रेंचाइज फी जो है आपका वो वन टाइम लाइफ टाइम है। कंपटीशन इसमें नेग्लिजिबल है। वाटरलेस कार वॉश 100% ऑर्गेनिक डोर स्टेप सर्विस with a package and bundle of cleaning, detailing, all of these put together. There is nobody who provides all of these. Model itself is recession proof because the number of vehicles are only going to increase. भले वो पेट्रोल डीजल व्हीकल हो, भले वो ईवी हो, कुछ भी टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होगा, लेकिन गाड़ियां तो बनेगी, गाड़ियों की जरूरत पड़ेगी। ठीक है, and that's why this is a recession proof business model. Fastest growing network pan India. By now we have already crossed 75 numbers of franchises in our country. Income is assured because you have access to multiple streams of income. Definitely all the streams of income would be giving you returns, and more importantly, you will always be satisfied that you are contributing towards a social cause for our country. Now here, let's understand what is the things which is included as a part of franchise fee. What is the franchise fee? The limited period offer, as of now we have the franchise fee including GST is 5.9 lakhs. इसमें आपको सर्विस मटेरियल जो भी कुछ है, जिसमें सर्विस किट्स हैं, सर्विस बैग हैं, वैक्यूम क्लीनर्स हैं, प्लस डिटेलिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, जिसमें पॉलिशिंग मशीन, पैड्स, कंपाउंड, वो सब चीजें आती हैं, वो इंक्लूडेड है। स्प्रे बॉटल, ट्रिगर्स, ब्रशेस, माइक्रोफाइबर टॉवल्स, आपके स्टाफ के लिए, फ्रेंचाइज के लिए टी शर्ट्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज इंक्लूडेड। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, द Go Waterless solution, which is our primary product, right? The product which is not available anywhere else, it is available only for our franchise. Till the time you achieve your complete payback, आपका पूरा payback investment 5.9 lakhs का जब तक आपका achieve नहीं होता है, जो हमने देखा है कि typically 8 to 9 months के अंदर हो जाता है, लेकिन जब तक आपका achieve नहीं होता, 5.9 lakhs पूरा recover नहीं होता है, आपको ये हम free of cost provide करेंगे. You are not paying anything for that. Plus आपको लोकल कैंपेन्स और कुछ इवेंट्स रन करने के लिए जो भी कुछ लगेगा, भले वो पैम्पलेट्स हो, विजिटिंग कार्ड्स हो, स्टैंडी, कैनोपी, बैनर्स एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, साइन बोर्ड्स, ID cards, all those things we will be providing you included in this. Company is also spending a lot in digital media, social media presence and advertising with respect to that. So that is again a cost which you are not paying, company is bearing. We are also putting a lot into technology. So the mobile application for customer, franchise owner, as well as working staff, both for Android as well as iOS, we are already having app. The upgraded version of the app is just around the corner in a couple of days time, that would also get launched. Plus all the online support which is required from company side. And in your city, if you are already present, the local franchise would also be extending, plus the management, our backend team would always be there. Me and Mr. Nitin Sharma as founders and co-founders, we are available on call at any point of time, whatever support you need. Our call center is there. So rest assured that आपके जर्नी में, आपके सक्सेस में जो भी कुछ चाहिए, जो भी कुछ जरूरत होगा, कंपनी 100% आपके साथ रहेगा, आपको हैंड होल्ड करने के लिए, आपको hugely सक्सेसफुल करने के लिए. So this is with respect to the overall model which I'm talking about. Besides this, we also have another format which is there, which you can opt for, but this is not a doorstep format. So we are talking about two different verticals. एक है doorstep format, which I shared with you, जिसका overall franchise investment आपके लिए जो होगा, which will be 5.9 lakhs. The other vertical which I'm talking about is not Go Waterless, but Go Detailing. Now this is a store-based format where you can set up your store for detailing, where you will also be doing all the specialized work within this store format. So typically here, various paint protection films, wrapping, ceramic coating, graphene coating, all these things you can do through your store in industry environment. The minimum requirement for this in terms of space would be 2,000 square feet. Now this can be a already erected shed, or if you already have a space of this size, you can use your own space, or you can get it in lease. Overall investment would be close to 35 lakhs into this. Now within this, all the furniture, fixtures, plus anything around the machinery, equipment, whatever is required, all of these is included. Anybody interested in the store format, we can take it separately and take you through all the details. ROI would be close to 24 months. And this is also a very lucrative model and vertical here, right? So net here we are talking about becoming a part of the bigger revolution and helping our next generation also by contributing towards saving water, because we are talking about doing business with a cause. So this is the brief presentation which I wanted to share with you. Now I'm open to any questions or queries. If you have, I would be more than happy to answer that.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for joining this particular webinar. Now, Sonia will take all the questions, and we do have a couple of queries in our question and answer box also. So first query which I want to take from our investor, that comes from Mr. Saha. He wants to understand whether we are open for West Bengal and Bangladesh also. So you gave us understanding that you are present in Pan India and you are looking out expansion Pan India, but this is the specific question we have got from him.
Yeah. So West Bengal, we are partly present, and in the Northeast also we are already there. So we already have 3 franchises in Kolkata, and in Northeast we are already present in Shillong, Guwahati, Itanagar, and Dibrugarh. And besides this, yes, we are very much open for what specific city and location, if the person is looking for, definitely we can discuss. It's open.
Sure. So again, yeah, I can see Sonia.
Thank you, Shrikantji. And friends, we see many of you have joined in. We'll request any questions that you have, please use the Q&A box, and we'll answer as many questions we're able to take up in the time that we have. And just to give you a recap, friends, it's a very interesting opportunity, and there's a growing consciousness and awareness with respect to sustainability across the globe. And Go Waterless business model is something which is promoting sustainability, which is circular economy. And their wash system and businesses are the future of the car washing industry. And with tightening government regulations, the waterless car cleaning business is actually thriving across the world. And so it comes across as a very interesting opportunity. There are 2 business models which the company is offering, and one is a waterless car wash, an initiative that provides doorstep services, so which means that you don't need to have infrastructure investment. And also they have plant-based, which is high lubricant spray, which is kind of revolutionizing the way people wash their cars. And they currently run more than 75 odd franchisees. And that's remarkable because it was only about 1.5 to 2 years back they started franchising. And they already have more than 75 partners spread all across the country. And the second model is car detailing, which requires approximately an investment of 35 odd lakhs. And this requires infrastructure in an area which is about 2,000 square feet, while the car wash is comparatively low on investment, but because it does not require any infrastructure. These are doorstep servicing, which is needed in about 5 lakhs approximately is the business model. And unlike single use, this model is more dependent on subscription model. And when I say subscription, you already have a subscriber group which comes and takes these services, and which also means that you have predictability on the revenue which can come in. So even unit dynamics, I would say, for a subscription based model are very high, because you have households which are requiring and needing these services on a regular basis. So one recommendation which I would also have is the cleaning locations which are picked up, by franchisees have to be carefully selected. Ideally, they should be located near densely populated areas in any part of the city, which could even be residential, which could even be corporate areas. So I'll take these questions and I see quite a few questions which are already coming in. So I'll go with the first one, which is asked by Mr. Satyajit Ray. He's asking if we have presence in the state of Odisha. And Shrikantji, when I take that, and if you could also mention, because you're already operating in many states, and which states would still be important for you, because in certain locations you see an opportunity, but maybe, because of a lack of presence, we're not able to serve the market. And the other is the new markets that we want to go. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sonia, for the excellent summary which you had shared with respect to the opportunity. Now, the first question about Odisha, yes, definitely we already are there in Odisha in Bhubaneswar, but yes, Odisha is definitely one high potential state where lot many opportunities are there for franchise. Now, talking about the thing what you asked, that when we talk about an opportunity like this, in a way, the demand is way more than supply. So we are open for as many hands as we would like to have to expand and grow. So we are not restricting our thought process or focus or vision only from a tier 1 city point of view. In fact, we have got a lot many franchises in tier 2 and tier 3 cities also, and who are doing brilliant job out there.
Just to understand the unit dynamics, and I would say it's a very interesting model, because it is de-risking the partner. He's not paying anything until he starts earning or he breaks even. The entire supply chain comes from your end. And when we look at the locations or the density, radius, neighborhood market, what, according to you, in your experience of running these many partners, what is the ideal number of subscribers, ideally one partner needs to have, so that he's able to see some regular cash flows and prediction of business coming in one? And how long does it take for him to reach that kind of count?
Sure. So typically when we are talking, let's understand two different aspects. The first one, which is very important, is to hit the operational profitability. Okay. Unless operational profitability is achieved, then this means that the franchise would always be in a mental pressure that he has to put money from his pocket additionally to survive and continue and ensure the business continuity. So from an operational profitability perspective, within the first quarter, we have seen majority of our existing franchises have hit operational profitability in less than 3 months. So 2 to 3 months is more than sufficient. And by the way, I'm talking about these numbers during the lockdown and COVID period. Once we have situations which would be better, obviously it would be much more faster. So even let's consider the first quarter. So in first 3 months, operational profitability is achieved. Now for this, there would be a mix of around 70-75% of a subscription, a monthly subscription kind of customers, and around 25-30% would be one-time customers. Sure. Typically, that would be the kind of ratio. Now, a monthly customer subscription, the customer acquisition cost or the effort is relatively much lesser from a company perspective. Whereas when we're talking about a one-time cleaning requirement, there the marketing and advertising expense for acquisition of customer, the customer acquisition cost is relatively on the higher side. Mm-hmm. So taking this into cognizance, if you're talking about this kind of ratio, around 40 to 50 numbers of customers are good enough for anybody to achieve operational profitability. So this means that, see, primarily here, what we are talking about is that once a franchise is getting started, net, what is a big ticket item in terms of expense which is going to come to the franchise? It is only the manpower cost. That is the salary which is being paid, right? So here also we strongly recommend that initially get started with only 2 or 3 people as your manpower at a level of cleaners whom we will be training and certifying, and also hire these people for part-time. During the morning hours, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. kind of format, where part-time people even in metro cities, we are paying salaries not more than 6,000. So in short, we're talking about around 17 to 18,000 maximum expense, which would be happening when it comes to manpower. Remaining everything else is being provided by the company. Lead generation company is taking in the forefront, and they will be helping you. With respect to the social media related advertising and campaign, again, company is taking the lead and doing all the stuff what is required. So achieving operational profitability is quite faster and quite easier. From there, if you take the journey to the next level, where you're talking about full payback and complete ROI happening, it takes around 8 to 9 months max to max. Again, we have seen through our experience, most of our franchisees have hit and reached that level. In 8 to 9 months, they have achieved complete payback. Once complete payback is done, then after that, subsequently, it is the business itself is a cash cow. So then we are talking only about profits eventually.
Absolutely. And how are we actually charging, because it's a subscription based model, how, what is the kind of competitiveness that we have in the market vis-a-vis, I would say, maybe, these traditional, guys who come at our home and clean one, and also against maybe the other players, organized players like you who are there in the market. And my second question would also be, because we're looking at markets which are tier 2, where you're operating big time, and also tier 1 like Bombay, Pune, Delhi, where you already have your operations. Do you see that pricing differentiation or strategy defined for tiers 1 and second on the competition, Shrikant?
Sure. I will answer both of these points. So first of all, when we're talking about pricing, as an organization, it's a conscious decision that we are not right from beginning. We are not following a fixed pricing strategy, because see, frankly, we are not selling product. We are selling service, right? So hence, we need to be flexible to accommodate the kind of market dynamics, to accommodate the kind of customer expectations, and what is the current market price points which are prevailing for us to be competitive, right? So when we are talking about tier 1 cities, the equations would be different. The manpower cost is also usually on the higher side, and we're talking about tier 2 and tier 3 cities, the resources availability as well as the manpower cost is on the lower side. So we have to match and accommodate according to that. But if we average it out, the price points for the customer for a monthly subscription, it would start from around 700, 750 odd, and it would go maximum to around 1200 to 1400, depending upon the size of vehicles and the number of cleaning services which is given. Most of our cities are following an alternate day cleaning format. Some of the cities also are following a lesser number of cleaning format, maybe once or twice a week. But if you have to again average it out, alternate day cleaning exterior and twice in a month interior. So this is a kind of frequency of cleaning a monthly subscription customer would get. Similarly, when you're talking about one-time cleaning, the price point starts from 200 and it goes up to 500, again, depending upon the size of vehicle, combination of that, and interior cleaning or interior plus exterior cleaning based on that. If you talk about margins, from a monthly subscription format, the franchise can expect anything around 25% margin. For a one-time cleaning, a franchise can expect anything around 45 to 50% margin there. And we are talking also about doorstep detailing. Here again, we are talking about margins which is more than 50%. So all put together, we are talking about more than 100% margin at any given point of time for the franchise. I'm talking margin as in like net profit, which goes into the pocket for the franchise. Yeah.
Sure. And also, understanding I would say the model 2, which is our car porting. I'm seeing a couple of questions with respect to that also. And friends, keep writing and I'll take, and there might be a mix of question between the two formats. So one is the question which is very specifically on the product that we're using is a question which is coming from Mr. K. Shreyas. What are the products which are used in ceramic coating? And is it the signature product that we are offering from the company? And is also asking on the number of partners currently we have in Bangalore. And if we have partners for both the formats, Shrikantji, maybe you can talk about both.
Yeah. So currently in Bangalore, we have 3 franchises which are already there. I don't know, Mr. Shreyas is looking for which specific location. So based on that, I can clarify whether that location is available. Currently in Bangalore, we are present in JP Nagar, KR Puram and Electronic City. And besides this, if Mr. Shreyas is looking for any other location, that location would be available. Now, the second question what we asked is that whether the ceramic coating, graphene coating, these products are the signature products. Yes, these are our own products which will be available, which the formulation and composition of this is something which we have established for ourselves.
Now, understanding also maybe quickly on the model also, typically, when we talk about the operating structure, for the format 2, comparatively, it is bigger, how does it go about? Because we need to keep a staff, we also need to have a premise, and the operating cost comparatively would be little higher than the other format. So what are your guidance on, the operating cost margins one would make, and typically what kind of services, number of, I would say, services idle center should be able to impart to be able to break even and eventually make money out of that?
Sonia, I'm extremely sorry. My network connection got little unstable for a few seconds.
I'll repeat that. My question was with respect to the second model, and I wanted your guidance on the operating expenses.
That is a store format.
Yeah, the second format, yes, the bigger one. So, what kind of operating expenses and how does the unit efficiencies, unit economics work for this format?
See, typically, again, if you talk from initial setup costs, all put together for franchise, from an equipment point of view, for the complete infrastructure and the entire setup, would go close to 35 lakhs. It is inclusive of all. Now here also the material which is required for the initial first 5 to 6 months is something which is included in all this cost, right? Which would include different types of coating, different types of polishing machine, whatever equipments and machinery which is required for a detailing store. All of this is included, which will be provided by the company. The infrastructure cost is something which would remain at actuals, because we cannot have a fixed pricing policy there, because depending upon the real estate size which is available, which location, how many number of bays which can be created. So based on that, and what is the stretch which a franchise would want to make. So there are certain minimum standards with respect to how a detailing store should be, those things which we will be guiding on, but the infra cost is something which would be at actuals.
Okay.
Right? Whether it is 1,000 square feet or 2,000 square feet or a 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 square feet, what is the stretch which a individual franchise would want to make, and depending upon what city. So this is with respect to that. Now, roughly, if you're talking about margins in a detailing store are more than 200%. Typically in a store format.
Right. And what would be your top?
The expense head would include on an ongoing basis. Besides the initial setup cost, the expenses would be the consumables which go into that, and the manpower here, and a little bit more overheads in terms of electricity and things like that. So taking cognizance of all of that, the ticket size what you charge to the customer is definitely more than 200 and 300% out there.
And quickly, I'll just take 1 or 2 questions. Friends, you can keep writing in. I'll take if I have not covered. And this is a question from Mr. Vikas Goenka ji. He's asking if Guwahati is a location where we currently operate. And I think he would also like to know if you're open for that location.
Guwahati, we are already present, but exact location, sorry, I don't know where it is. There, I would get back on this. In Guwahati.
Are we giving some kind of territory also to a partner? Is there a territory allocation that we do for a partner, or we do non-exclusive?
Yes. So again, based on the geography, the size of the city, what we are talking about, roughly we apply a certain thumb rule. We are not going very kind of sacrosanct in terms of only one pin code and you're confined only to one pin code and things like that. Since we are in the growth path, we are fairly flexible. But yes, when we are getting into agreement with the franchise agreement clearly says that what location, what territory is defined for you. And once a franchisee is being allotted for a particular location and territory, there would not be another franchisee which would be introduced for the same location.
Sure. All right, that's helpful, and especially maybe in case of smaller cities,
yeah.
number of appointment of partners would compare?
Roughly, the thumb rule would be around 7 to 8 lakh population. One franchisee can cater to that.
Okay, and that's large enough to cater to the potential. And very specific question I have for you is from Mr. Shreyas, and he's looking for 2 specific locations. He's asking if taking one franchisee, he can cater to these 2 areas, which is Jayanagar and also Basavagudi in Karnataka, Bangalore.
I'm sorry, I'm not very conversant with the geography of Bangalore in terms of proximity of Basavagundi and Jayanagar out there. If they are connected and the population of both of these locations put together is around 7 to 8 lakhs, then both of these can be included within that. If they are separated apart from certain kilometers and the population size is also decent, then we have to consider 2 different franchises there.
Sure. That's helpful. And also on the training, I saw one of our participants ask, which is Dharaji asking, how do we recruit? Is there some assistance which is given to hire the staff and also
we would provide guidance and handholding with respect to the recruitment process, where we can tell that how our current franchises, what they are doing and how they are doing and how they are able to successfully manage the recruitment as well as retention part. But however, the primary ownership and responsibility lies with the franchise to recruit and on an ongoing basis manage the operations and get the things done from the people. Training and certification is something which we will provide. Our master trainer would be coming to the location and he would be ensuring all the detailed training and knowledge transfer and skill transfer happen.
And friends, if you have any further, we're also organizing a discovery day where you can come one-to-one discussion with Shrikant ji. And Shrikant ji, there's one location which I'm being asked by Mr. Prakash Jesuji. He's asking if Nanded is a location which is open at this point.
Yes, Nanded is open as of now. We don't have any franchises out there.
Sure. And I'll just answer Subrata ji. I saw that question and that was answered by Shrikant ji, in one of his comments. And this is a service business that we are in. There is no kits or do-it-yourself kits that we give to consumers to do it. It's a service franchise that we are offering, and we're also not retailing any product, so to say. Great. Shrikant ji, before we close, I'll request, a message that you want to give to entire audience. And I will also add, friends, 19th of January is the Discovery Day. If you want to come on one-to-one discussion, and we'll be more than happy to extend any kind of assistance in terms of location, advising what locations would also work, and maybe clubbing of these locations based on the potential. We'd be more than happy to do that for you. Over to you, Shrikant ji.
Thank you so much.
And while you do that, sorry, I just saw another question from Mr. Shreyans. He said, can you please throw some more light on the product and which is plant-based, and how effective it is compared to the other conventional waterless car washes which are available from other reputed companies?
Yeah. See, the most important thing when we're talking about from a product perspective, that we are 100% organic and plant-based without any asterisks and conditions apply. It is 100% plant-based, eco-friendly product. This does not have any chemical infused into this in any way, right? And this is something which we make ourselves, right? This is not something which we procure from outside and package and provide, right? This has been made by ourselves. And of course, because of the nature of product is such that it does not cause any harm to any of the painted surface. Not too important reason for me to say that. Before even we launched our model and the product as such in October 2019, prior to that, between 2017 to 2019, we have done extensive trials and iterations on our product before even bringing it in the market. So a lot of validation and trials had been done on the product to prove out. Now, why I am confidently saying this, because I come from an automotive background, spent more than 20 years in the automotive domain. Our founder, Mr. Nitin Sharma, he comes from an automotive background. He understands the subject. So we understand surface correction, surface protection, paint technology to a fair extent. And also we have hooked in chemical experts to help us establish that what is required as a part of formulation and combination within the product, which will ensure that the painted surface does not have any negative effect from a longer duration perspective. That is number one. Number two, since we have started and launched the product, we have already done more than 1 lakh cleaning services pan India in different geographies, different atmospheric conditions. Hence, in real life situation also, we are talking about product being proven and tested. And also our customers, the kind of customer base what we already have These are not one time, these are all sustained customers over a period of time who are loving our service as well as the result from the product.
Sure. That's very helpful, Shrikantji. Friends, like I have mentioned, we'll take any other questions that you have over one-to-one discussions. And I will request Shrikantji also, he will spend time on the allocated slots that we have for 19th of January. All of you can reach out on the hotline number of Franchise India. And I'll request Archana if we can put that also on our chat box and also our email ID. Our teams who are leading the project, we have all across India, and they will also reach out to all our interested partners. And I will request friends to make this discussion more productive. Please share information about you so that we are able to have a productive call on 19th of the month. And Archana, can I request you now to kindly take it over from here for your closing remarks?
Sure. So thank you so much, Shrikantji. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am. Thanks all the dear friends for registration, joining this webinar. You gave us very good questions also. So in case you wish to understand more about this business opportunity and want to become a partner with Go Wordless, please connect with us to book your slot for 19th of January, which is our discovery day, where Mr. Shrikant and his team would love to answer your queries. Connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838 to book your slot. Also, you can share your suggestion and feedback with us at feedback@franchiseindia.in. We are also available at different social handles. So do connect with us for the same. And in case you wish to understand different kind of the services, business options, and the acquisitions by Franchise India team, please connect Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their LinkedIn IDs. Information we have just shared on the screen. And tomorrow, under our 12 p.m. national webinar, we are bringing the brand which comes from an education point of view. International School of Design, the big brand which is already operational with 50 plus centers pan India and having 15,000 already graduate students. So don't miss this chance. Join us tomorrow to understand their entire journey and the business offering they are offered for you. So don't miss this chance. Join us tomorrow by doing registration. Registration can be done easily by joining us at the Facebook page or go to our hotline number. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Thank you so much. Stay safe.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks for joining and have a good day. Bye-bye.